Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Umlekara Aliyu from Recipe Box NG. Today I bring to you another yet very delicious recipe, chicken tenders. Chicken tenders are long strips of chicken breast coated in some eggs and some flour full of spices. They're just such delicious snacks you have anytime. So just stick around and learn how to make this. Before we fully get into the tutorial, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. That way you will be notified every time I upload. If you've been following me on this channel, thank you. First, I have 2 chicken breasts, basically breasts from 1 chicken. Yes, I just took them off 1 chicken. Already washed, and I'm going to cut them into this relatively long strips. They're not too short, they're not too long, just bite sizes. After cutting them into strips, we're going to set that aside. On a plate or in a bowl, I'll be adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon ginger powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, and also half teaspoon cinnamon powder. I'm going to give this a good mix to combine all spices in the flour. Next, we carefully place all our chicken strips into the flour and give them a good coat. We're just going to coat all these chicken strips in the flour just to get all the spices in and all. Next, I'll break 2 large eggs into a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of milk, then mix this very well. This will make our second coat of the chicken strips. Our third coat of the chicken strips will be our flour again. So we want to keep that right next to the egg mixture. So next we're going to coat our strips with some eggs. Make sure you cut this very well, and then you don't have excess eggs on it. Then transfer it back into the flour. After that, we just make another coat of flour. Dust off the excess flour and then put them back in a plate. You want to actually make a large batch before we go on frying. Now that we're ready to fry, heat up your oil and fry some onion in it. This process removes lots of impurities from the oil, and in case your oil has any bad smell, the onion takes that away. When they fry, just remove the onion and start frying your chicken strips on medium-low heat. You don't want to burn this, so just keep it on medium-low heat, just medium heat. So we just want to fry this, turning from side to side until it's all golden brown. These chicken tenders are also called chicken fingers or chicken strips, but I like chicken tenders better. Like chicken fingers? Seriously, why would you just want to fry me the fingers of a chicken? So now that it's all golden brown, this is the perfect color you need. Take them out of the oil and let some of that oil drain before you serve. And that's it. You can have this with ketchup or mayonnaise or anything you have, but I like mine with some hot sauce. I have a recipe for this hot sauce on this channel. It's going to pop right now, or you can find the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up, subscribe and share with your family and friends. You can also leave any questions and comments you may have in the comment section below.